Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage a startup page in Microsoft Edge on your PC. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So, first of all, open your Microsoft Edge browser and then click on this three-dot bar and go to Settings. And now, normally click on this bar on the left side and from here, choose Start, Home and New tabs. Under the When Edge starts section, you will see three options and they are Open the new tab page, Open tabs from the previous session, Open these pages. To set a specific pages, choose Open these pages and now you have to enter an URL. So here you can see that I already added an URL here, google.com. So I'm gonna add another one. So clicking on this add a new page here and providing the URL. Similarly, you can add multiple pages this way or remove any by clicking the three dots next to it and selecting delete. So if I close my Microsoft Edge browser right now and open it again, it is going to visit these two websites at the same time. So that's it. You have successfully managed your startup pages in Microsoft Edge. If this video was helpful for you, then please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.